still snowing.
Yeah, the winds are blowing.
Where's Caboodle? Where's Caboodle at? You saw Caboodle?
Chrissy,
Caboodle. The cat.
I don't know. He must be hugging your mother. You got Caboodle?
He might be in my bed. February 6th. Record snowfall. Almost 30 inches of snow on the ground. It's 11 o'clock. And it is bad. I'm on, this is Ticknick Road. Down there a few blocks is Ever Rainer. We got wires down up at that, where that fence is right there. Right to that mailbox. We got wires down. It ain't power wires, it's cable wires. And it's really bad. As bad as it gets. I mean, as bad as I've ever seen it, you know. So, the guy in the Bobcat's been coming down this road. I think he's been coming down this road about 60 times. Like, he's contracted out. And I ain't seen him for a while. Getting kind of worried because the road's starting to get filled up again. And here he comes now. Speaking of the devil, he's coming. And yeah, it's like 11 o'clock right now. Storm ain't supposed to stop till later tonight. We've got blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, and pretty much a full blast snowstorm. So you can hear across the street. Guy over there. Snow. Walk out back. Hi. Where you going? Come back here.
Are you taking pictures?
Video. Take a picture of the bird band. Alright, we'll come out here, we can see the snow. This is my car. You can't even see my car. It's probably going to take me 2 days to get that snow out from under you. This is ridiculous. I mean, look at the deck. Snow is all the way up the wood, to the railings. Snowing hard right now. Go out here and show you a little bit. Guy at the Bobcat, he's up the street somewhere. He's probably digging out Hunter Road. Oh, here he is. He's down there digging everybody out right now. I think we got one there and we got one down here. We got wires. Well, a tree just fell over there somewhere. So. Just trying to dig out my neighbors over there. They got one hell of a mess in the freaking front yard, so. There you go. There you go. He's probably just going to go straight down the street now. Snowing hard. Should be wearing a jacket, but I'm not worried about it. Getting ready to go back inside anyway. This guy's been working since yesterday at 6, well, I'd say about 4 o'clock yesterday. I talked to him. He's been riding that thing ever since. He said he had a cup of coffee or something, but he's trying to make the road wider. The road is only a path for one single vehicle, so. If you can see the wire, there's a wire going across the road. It was hanging down the bottom, but the guy next door, he tried to tighten it up so it don't get hung up. A backhoe hit it a little while ago, drag it down a little bit more, but I don't think it's a problem anymore. But there's a tree over there that fell on the side. I pushed it out of the way. Let's say the Blizzard 2010. Got 4 wheels coming down the road with plows on. That guy's a jackass. There ain't supposed to be nobody on the road right now. And the snow is picking up really hard, so I'm probably just gonna go in the house. So, terrible. Hey, go back in the house. I just plowed this driveway. Got like 1.5 inches, 2 inches on it already, and that's probably been like a half an hour ago. So, all right, I'm heading back in the house. This is Weatherman Brian Mcdevitt here for YouTube and everybody out there. I know I'm an idiot, but I have nothing else better to do. So enjoy the rest of your blizzardy day. See ya.